Hello students, I'm back again with my video lecture on the topic rural development. Now, this is my lecture number 6 on the topic rural development. Previously, my lecture 5, I have uploaded 5 more lectures on this topic on my YouTube channel. Before starting, just subscribe my YouTube channel and do follow me on Insta, Facebook, and you can also follow the Telegram channel given in my description. Secondly, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the updates of Eco PST as well as accountancy lectures. Recently, I'm posting economics lectures, PST and accountancy lectures. जल्द ही मेरे चैनल पे पोस्ट किए जाएंगे. So let us start with the today's topic. Okay. Now, moving on to today's topic, that is sustainable development and organic farming. ये टॉपिक बस लास्ट टॉपिक है इस चैप्टर का. Although this has been deleted in this session, but I want to explain you because you should be having the knowledge of sustainable development as well as organic farming. These are very interesting topic from CBSE point of view. अभी लेट हुआ है लेकिन आने वाले सेशंस में ये रहेगा. So I am preparing the videos overall. So sustainable development and organic farming का मतलब क्या है? See, they both are different concepts. Sustainable development is different and organic farming is different. Now let us understand this one by one. Organic farming क्या है? Organic farming is a farming in which no chemicals are being used, or it is a system which avoids the use of synthetic inputs. Maybe pesticides are avoid करना है, you will be not using pesticides, you will be not using chemical fertilizers, you will be not using food adulterative activities or food additives. So this farming does not involve any chemical. It only depends on natural methods of farming such as crop rotation, of फार्म ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट, एनिमल मैन्योर्स. मींस अगर उसमें फर्टिलाइजर्स और पेस्टिसाइड्स भी यूज हो रहे हैं, so they are being made by from the animal waste or animal, particularly I can say the animal manures, that is particularly natural. उसमें कोई भी आपका केमिकल प्रोडक्ट यूज नहीं होगा. In case of organic farming, that is a very easy concept. As I told you, the organic farming is that farming which will not include any synthetic inputs. मतलब कोई chemical inputs नहीं होंगे, ना fertilizer chemical का होगा, ना pesticides, ना food. They will go for either crop rotation, they will go for either off farm organic waste, or they will go for animal manures. Now, benefits क्या है organic farming के? What are the first benefit? See, here I have given for the particular acronym, that is, first is safer. Okay, it is SAF. First one is S. That is, S is for safety of environment. A is for additional income through export because organic products की demand बाहर ज़्यादा है. F is for food value, nutrition बढ़ जाता है. Next is E is economical farming, and last one, role of employment generation. Now let us see these points one by one, and then I will be explaining in detail. फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो आपका है बेटा, फर्स्ट इज सेफ्टी ऑफ एनवायरमेंट. आपकी इन्वायरमेंट क्या रहेगा? Environment will be safe because you are not using any chemical products, you are not using pesticides. The products are pesticide free. They are being produced in a very sustainable way, in a very more good particular environment where there is no use of chemicals. Now it is adding the income to the export also. Why? Because mostly these organic products are demanded outside. They need a high nutritional value, so food value. It is providing a very healthy food. Organically grown food are very healthy and having a highest nutrition value as coming to the crop which are going for chemical farming. तो बेटा यहाँ पे जो तीन एडवांटेज अभी डिस्कस करें, फर्स्ट इज सेफ्टी ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, इट इज पेस्टिसाइड फ्री, इट इज केमिकल फ्री. सेकेंड, एक्सपोर्ट्स बढ़ा देता है बिकॉज डिमांड ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग प्रोडक्ट इज मोर इन आउटर वर्ल्ड. Third is food value. It is increasing the nutritional value. It is increasing the food value, food growth, and that is why organic farming is more popular as compared to the normal conventional farming. Next, economically है. How it is economical? Because जो आपके manures हैं वो सब चीजें किससे बनाई हैं? वो तो ऑलरेडी एनिमल वेस्ट से बने हुए, दे आर ऑलरेडी मेड फ्रॉम प्लांट रेसिड्यूज एंड एनिमल रेसिड्यूज. So it is very economical, कोई खर्चा आने वाला नहीं. Second, it offers some means to substitute costlier such as HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers. So उससे particularly farmer का खर्चा कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि when you are using organic farming, पहले तो you have to not use fertilizers, you do not have to use pesticides, you have to only use organic input which are locally available, which is the help of animal waste or manure and other things. So it is very economical and it is very helpful. And last one, it is labor intensive as compared to conventional farming. ये ज़्यादा बड़ी labor intensive है. तो अगर कोई चीज़ labor intensive है, so it will automatically increase the employment opportunities. Employment opportunities automatically बढ़ जाएंगी. क्यों बढ़ेंगी? क्योंकि वहाँ पे labor intensity ज़्यादा है, so I need more labor that can be more focused in that particular case. Now moving on to the next slide. Next slide is about the problem. Now, what is the problem? In recent years, आपने देखा है बेटा, harmful effects of chemical-based fertilizers and pesticide, उनके बहुत सारे bad effect आए. कैसा? It is affecting the health of people. It is destroying the natural ecosystem. First, it is affecting what? Health. Second, it is destroying your natural ecosystem. Third, it is harming the livestock even. ओके, लाइवस्टॉक भी उससे अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं. फोर्थ, एडवर्सली अफेक्ट दी सॉइल फर्टिलिटी. जो सॉइल है बेटा वो अपनी फर्टिलिटी लूज कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द यूज ऑफ दीज केमिकल्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स. तो ये इफेक्ट आपके सामने डिस्कस हुए. एट फर्स्ट इज बैड इफेक्ट ऑफ हेल्थ ऑफ पीपल. सेकेंड इज destroying the natural ecosystem. Fourth is harm, and third is harm, and fourth is adversely affecting your soil fertility. Now, what is the solution? Efforts have been made to evolve technology such as eco-friendly, and one of them is organic farming. अब sustainable development की technique है. See, if I want to go for stock one sustainable development, अपन ने क्लास 10th में पढ़ा हुआ है, ऐसा डेवलपमेंट जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन की नीड्स को कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करे. तो भैया अगर आप फर्टिलाइजर्स केमिकल्स का यूज इतना ज्यादा करोगे तो आने वाली जनरेशन को वो सॉइल फर्टिलिटी नहीं मिल पाएगी. दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर land which is a fertile land. So in that case, you should always be focusing on eco-friendly techniques, and organic farming is one of the eco-friendly technique which uses organic products and organic outputs. And that is one of the greatest solution in today's scenario towards the sustainable development. It is known as what? Organic farming, as I told you. Next is challenges. What challenges organic farming is facing? First, very shorter lifespan. Second, limited, हर एक क्रॉप को ऑर्गेनिक पे नहीं लिखा जा सकते. Third, involves a very low yield as compared to other conventional farming. Then is marketing facilities or infrastructure lacking है ऑर्गेनिक के लिए, because that is not that much popular. कन्वेंशनल फार्मिंग बहुत पॉपुलर है इसीलिए वो इजीली ग्रो हो जाती है, बट ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग इतनी पॉपुलर नहीं है, उसे ग्रो करने में टाइम लगता है. फर्स्ट, शॉर्टर फूड लाइफ. ऑर्गेनिक फूड जो आप बना रहे हो उनका जो लाइफ स्पैन है इट इज शॉर्टर एज कंपेयर टू द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स जिनमें पेस्टिसाइड्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करे हुए. सेकेंड, लिमिटेड चॉइस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. Choice in production of off-season crop is quite limited in organic farming. हर एक को हम ऑर्गेनिक में नहीं ले जा सकते. There are very limited products which can go for organic farming. Next, that is involve a very low yield. आपके पास जो yield आएगी वो बहुत कम होगी as compared to the modern agriculture farming. As a result, small and marginal farmers find it difficult to go for a large scale organic. अगर आप particularly rich farmers को देखो तो वो अफोर्ड कर लेंगे बिकॉज दे हैव अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ लैंड. तो भले यील्ड कम भी होगा तो दे कैन मैनेज, बट व्हाट अबाउट स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर्स जिनके पास लैंड ही कम है, तो जब उनके पास लैंड कम है, सो दे विल बी नॉट गोइंग विथ दी particularly organic farming, they will be going for conventional farming. Marketing facilities faces problem for inadequate infrastructure. See, उसे cold storage के लिए भी importance चाहिए. We need cold storage, then only organic farming can work. तो अगर गवर्नमेंट ने ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के लिए कोल्ड स्टोरेज अवेलेबल नहीं करे, so ultimately we will not be able to work with the organic products. Okay, now यहाँ पे बेटा एग्रीकल्चर का एक लास्ट स्लाइड है जो एनईपी थी. एज आई टोल्ड यू, अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में देखा, न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी जो है, इट हैज निग्लेक्टेड द एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर एज कंपेयर टू इंडस्ट्री, ट्रेड एंड सर्विस. इन्वेस्टमेंट उसमें कम हुए, ट्रेड में ज्यादा हुए, इंडस्ट्रीज में ज्यादा हुए, सर्विस में ज्यादा हुए. दूसरी चीज है बेटा रिमूवल ऑफ एमएसपी, that is was a greatest drawback that was been done. Second, shifting towards the cash crops, food crops से अपन cash crop की तरफ बढ़ गए. Third, reduction of public investment. आपकी जो investments हैं वो कम हो गए किसमें, एग्रीकल्चर में. एंड लास्ट वन इज रिमूवल ऑफ सब्सिडी फ्रॉम द फर्टिलाइजर. वो तो पहले ही हो गया कि एमएसपी भी हटा दिया, जो सब्सिडीज गवर्नमेंट दे रही थी फर्टिलाइजर्स पे वो भी हटा ली. Overall, it was not very fruitful. The NEP policies which was being done, it was not fruitful in case of agriculture. चलिए students, we have completed our rural development chapter. So just the all six lecture. This was the sixth lecture which I have uploaded. All six lecture. Then only आपको समझ में आएगा. In that case, also subscribe my YouTube channel and do press the bell icon for more updates on this particular channel. I will be uploading economics lectures are already being uploaded. Accountancy and PST lectures will soon be uploaded on this channel. Have a good day, students.